Hello, my wonderful people. How are you doing? See, if you are into a relationship, you want your spouse or your partner or your husband to remain faithful. There are so many ladies, they are afraid of getting married because they say that they don't want their husband to start cheating on them, or they think that the way they see their partner is the kind of man that can't stay with that woman. Save yourself that stress. I'm here to sort it out. I am woman of nature. In case you are seeing me for the first time, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, and share. Now, go to my channel. You see other videos, very vital videos, mind blowing videos. Watch them, and you see things to solve your problems as well. Now, if you're into a relationship and you don't want your partner to cheat at all cost, even though you have not been married, maybe he have engaged you, and you don't want him to be cheating on you, look at this simple thing you will do to stop him from cheating. Bring out your engagement ring for those that have not wedded. This thing goes for those that have not wedded and those that have wedded. As long as you have a ring, as long as that man gave you that ring, fine. Bring out the ring, rub that ring, your sexual fluid. You know what I mean? When you are having, when you are making love, the fluid that comes out, rub the ring. Take your own, as a married people, take your fluid as a woman, rub in your husband, take your fluid, rub in your husband's ring, and decree a word. As long as this man gave me this ring, before a man gave you a ring, or engage you, or marry you, wed you, he loves you. There is something he's seeing in you that he did not see in other women. There's so something so special that you carry. You carry There's something so special that you are having that he did not see in other women. So therefore, this is your prayer. So therefore, as long as he make a vow that he will love me forever, by the power bestowed upon this fluid, no other women will entice him. No other person, no other human being on skirts will lure him. You rub it round the ring, his own ring, and drop it. Now, as somebody who have engaged, do the same. Take your own fluid, take his own fluid and rub on your own, and you see it. This is just a secret that I'm peeling out. When you rub it, just keep calm. Even though he's the kind of person that love women, there's some men naturally, they love women. They're interested in women. They love keeping women. If you like, cry from now till next century. It will not stop them. Do this thing to them. Take your fluid and rub it. Come back and testify. If you are watching to this person and you've not subscribed, please subscribe, like, and share. I will see you in my next video.